create, present, annotate. Collaboration is just effortlessly with the MAXHUB Whiteboard, a user-friendly solution that amplifies team collaboration with many valuable tools. MAXHUB Whiteboard. Create infinite possibilities. How to activate the whiteboard. A quick swipe up from the bottom of the bezel to activate the mini whiteboard interface, or click the whiteboard on the home page. You can write down your ideas immediately during a brainstorming discussion. You have 2 ways to create in seconds, directly with your fingers or the MAXHUB Stylus. The Stylus, featuring dual nib dual colors, enables identifiable meeting records. Erasing the content is easy. Erase with the back of your hand or activate the eraser function. What's the ultimate writing experience? MAXHUB's IR touch technology is first class in the industry, which enables high writing accuracy with ultra-low latency, just like the paper-like writing experience. Collaborate right now. The MAXHUB Go Whiteboard supports online multi-person collaboration and real-time voice function. You can hear the participants and see the ideas they write on the whiteboard in real time. The Go Whiteboard improves team communication through visual collaboration and carries out brainstorming, project review, problem discussion, strategic planning, etc. anytime, anywhere. Recap meetings are also effortlessly. MAXHUB Whiteboard facilitates the wireless distribution of meeting minutes to all attendees. A. Scan and save under the same LAN. B. Send via email. Start now with MAXHUB Whiteboard to experience creating freely, presenting quickly, and annotating effortlessly. Visit our website to find out more.